Mga ka-nose! Welcome sa akong YouTube channel, Drinking Nose. I'm your barista, Maiko, Ryan Diesto. And for today's episode 42, must-try drinks and mukbang by Easy Food Hub. Easy Food Hub is located at Oñate de Leon, Mandurriao, Iloilo City. It's a newly open restaurant and Milktea shop that offers free delivery with minimum order. Full list of menus and delivery details I'll be providing in the description down below. And this episode is sponsored by Easy Food Hub. And disclaimer lang po, this is my own opinion and my own standards when it comes to taste test reviews. Ito na po mga nose, yung shoutout portion natin. Shoutout ko po yung tatlong tao nag-support sa aking Drinking Nose at sila din po ay mga vloggers dito sa Pilipinas. Unang i-shoutout natin is si Eggy Vlogs. Shoutout sa iyo Eggy Vlogs. Thank you for supporting and for always trusting Drinking Nose. Next natin is si B-Boy Vlog TV. Shoutout sa iyo. Thank you sa pag-like sa lahat po ng mga na-post ko sa Facebook page and also for commenting sa lahat po ng episodes ko. A big thank you talaga, B-Boy. So hopefully ma-meet tayo very soon. Last but not the least, si Emmanuel Ramos Bores. Thank you so much, Emmanuel, sa pag-watch tayo for 6 hours and also for always supporting Drinking Nose. So thank you so much sa inyo tatlo for supporting Drinking Nose and best of luck po sa atin lahat for Philippine vloggers. Hi there mga nose! So your foods and drinks by Easy Food Hub. Before anything else, please do like this video and comment down below kung ano po yung mga foods na gusto niyo i-try for Easy Food Hub at mga drinks nila. And please share this video to one of your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Drinking Nose, at click the notification bell icon para always kayo updated sa mga latest videos ko. Konting favor lang, kapag may nakita kayong ads sa aking episodes, is lang po huwag niyo po escape kahit ilang seconds or ilang minutes. Malaking bagay na po yun sa akin, especially sa aking channel. So let's start. So upon appearance pa lang at sa aroma niya, sobrang napakabango. Tempting siyang kainin talaga. So ito try ko talagang makanos, i-semi-mukbang siya. Hindi masasayang pagkain to kasi pwede kong i-share sa family ko afterwards. Lahat po dito ng foods is Indonesian inspired. Start muna tayo for Milktea products. And this is not your ordinary milk tea. This is my first Dalgona milk tea taste test. For first drink, under Dalgona milk tea, is their Taro Dalgona milk tea for 22 ounce, large size, for 99 pesos. As you can see mga nose, ito yung Dalgona niya for Taro. Ito napaka-soft at very fluffy yung texture for Dalgona. Tapos yung sweetness for its Taro, on point siya. Comes sa milk base, nag-complement siya for its Dalgona sweetness. Pwede siya for kids. For our next drink, under Dalgona series, your Matcha Dalgona milk tea for 22 ounce, large size, for 99 pesos. Dalgona matcha sa taas. So sa akin okay din siya. Yung matcha essence nandun, yung downfeel or yung thickness for matcha essence, merong sweetness na distinctive talaga for Dalgona. Yung base niya, very creamy. Tapos yung pearls, very easy to eat, very soft. Or next drink, under Dalgona milk tea, Red Velvet Dalgona milk tea for 22 ounce, large size, for 99 pesos. Yun po yung Dalgona niya sa taas for Red Velvet. Kita nyo parang pale pink. So na-maintain yung consistency for its Dalgona texture, yung sweetness, sa mga flavors na distinctive within this drink. Kasi yung nagustuhan ko dito, hindi fade yung taste niya. For our next drink, under Dalgona milk tea, this is their chocolate Dalgona milk tea for 22 ounce, large size, for 99 pesos. Ito po yung chocolate Dalgona nila sa taas. Ayan. So very similar siya for Milo flavor. Tapos lighter yung sweetness niya and well complement sa each of their drinks. So let's proceed mga nose for their foods. For our first product, their chili cheese samosa for 12 pieces for 80 pesos. So they have also this sauce. Yung nagustuhan ko dito is yung sauce nila. Ang sarap niyang i-partner for this product. Upper niya, napaka-soft and crispy, spiciness nasa moderate level, yung laman sa loob, nasa tamang proportion for its cheese. Sarap niyang kainin, kahit ilang pieces ka na. For next product, these are fried fish dumplings for 6 pieces for 50 pesos. So, ito po yung dumplings nila. Talaga yung sauce nila na ginagamit. Gusto ko lang yung sauce nila. Same with samosa. Perfect siya combination for their snacks. When it comes sa dumplings, naging consistent sila for its crispiness. When it comes sa fish meat, hindi siya malangsa sa lasa ko. Ma-enjoy mo talaga yung dumplings nila. Sulit ka na at malaki pa. For our next product, Quesadilla for 6 pieces for 120 pesos. Very present yung spices and herbs for this product. Yung wrapper very soft, hindi siya matigas, sakto yung pag-toast. Tapos yung sauce, okay siyang combination. When it comes sa meat, ito nasahan ko yung saltiness and also for its tender meat. Ito po yung XO sauce by Israel Food Hub. Contains dried scallops, dried fish, and dried shrimps. It's only for 180 pesos. Tapos ito po yung itsura niya sa loob. Tapos perfect siya sa rice, sa dumplings, sa siomai, and also for their samosa. The next product, chicken sambal, nasigoreng, migoreng, and pork satay. Ito sauce, mix ko sa nasigoreng. Makanos, yung nasigoreng is also known as Indonesian fried rice. Ito siksik sa meat, sa spices, also yung soft texture for its rice. Pag na-partner nyo po yung XO sauce, lalong sumarap yung fried rice, tapos talaga yung mga ingredients for this dish. So next natin is si Migoreng. By the way mga nos, itong Migoreng nila, nasa level 4 yung spiciness. Try ko na dati, nung nag-OFW pa ako sa Singapore. Kaya lang instant noodles lang po yun. For this product, naging present yung Migoreng flavor na expect ko for this dish. Spicy siya. So it contains veggies and meats. Next natin is si chicken sambal. Grabe. Chicken sambal nila mga nos. Ang sarap ng chicken nila. Rated na siya for its spices and their special sauce. Tapos when it comes sa spiciness, pag i-rate ko siya for spiciness, to level 4 for its spiciness out of 5. Next natin is si pork satay. Itong meat for pork satay, napaka-tender, very soft, very easy to eat. Tapos when it comes sa marinated sauce nila, very light lang siya. Hindi siya nag-overpower sa meat itself. Appreciate yung tenderness. Next natin is si beef rendang. Ito upon first bite, ito ma-feel ko talaga yung softness and yung juiciness for its beef. Wala ko na sana spiciness, pero nandun yung star anise essence. Okay, for rating mga nos, for Taro Dalgona, I'll give this a perfect 10. For Matcha Dalgona, I'll give this a perfect 10. Red Velvet Dalgona, I'll give this a perfect 10. For Chocolate Dalgona, I'll give this a perfect 10. Chili Cheese Samosa, I'll give this a perfect 10. For Fried Fish Dumpling, I'll give this a perfect 10. For XO Sauce, I'll give this a perfect 10. Quesadilla, I'll give this a perfect 10. Their Indonesian dish contains beef rendang, chicken sambal, nasigoreng, pork satay, and Migoreng, I'll give this a perfect 10. So I would recommend this sa mga kids, especially ma-enjoy talaga nila yung sweetness for each of their flavors. Appreciate nila yung sweetness ng dalgona, yung texture, yung excellent and outstanding product. When it comes sa Indonesian dish nila, especially for foods or for their snacks, ito nag-stood out talaga yung Indonesian local flavors na in-expect mo. When it comes sa sauce, especially for very unique yung flavor at perfect siya sa rice at sa mga dumplings, samosa, or sa mga siomai. At kapag mahilig ka sa mga spicy foods, I would suggest si Migoreng at si chicken sambal nila. Ito for this dish, sulit na sulit ka na for napakarami ng foods nila. Meron ka ng noodles, meron ka ng chicken, meron ka ng beef, meron ka din pork, also for their rice. Thank you so much Easy Food for inviting me and for trusting Drinking Nose feature ko yung foods nyo and also for your drinks. Easy Food has good quality of products, budget friendly, very accommodating baristas and owners, and is certified Drinking Nose standards approved. Once again, thank you so much Easy Food Hub. Congratulations! Keep safe mga nose! Bye!